Hi all, my name is Rupak and in this channel we'll be doing drawing tutorials and origami tutorials. Today we'll be learning how to make an easy trifold flasher. So it's actually also a S flasher. You can see this S, right? And if we just turn it, it's a Z flasher. Actually this was a flasher designed by Jeremy Shafer and I just modified it a little bit. So interested how to fold, but then let's get started. So for this you will need a square sheet of paper. So first you can fold the paper exactly into two halves. Well, actually it was easier than the flasher video that I uploaded previously, that is the 8x8 flasher. So you can open it, just crease it again well. You now turn it over the other side. You can see this flap, right? You can bring it towards this crease. Then to crease it well, turn it over and repeat the same, like this. So now what I'm going to do now is to divide this into three equal parts, but not using a scale, but just as an approximate measure. Make sure that like this part and this part is same, but you're not supposed to crease, just wait. So I just bring it here, I didn't crease, and similarly you need to bring it back. See, you can just like push it here and there to make it kind of equal, and then crease it. Yes, so now you are creased. You can see like coming up like a pop-up. Let's proceed with the flasher. So you can now see a flap here, right? Should fold it diagonally like this. You can see this flap, right? Diagonal like this. Turn over and just repeat the same step. You can see like this, right? The triangle here and behind it like this. So now just the basic mechanism of a flasher, you can just develop upon it. You can see this flap, right? You need to fold it to the center line like this. Open it and the other side. And now like we are supposed to pinch those two flaps together and towards the center like this. So you can see, right, we are getting like kind of pull apart thing like this. Crease it well and fold it to this side like this. So you can turn over and repeat the same steps. Similarly pinch it towards the center. Then fold it to the either sides like this. So like, but now our flasher is like too simple. Let's just add upon to this. So can see that this fold is like towards the inside part, right? You turn it over and like pinch it outwards like this. Place it well. You can see this, like you can see a line bulging up, right? You can bring this here and this inner line we need to crease it well. So now we have creased it. Just open this open the flap and bring it towards the other side, and again crease it and just fold it like this. So I just open and show like this. Let's just repeat it on the other side too. Here I need to open it, push it backwards and push it here, and then bring it towards this line and then crease it. Unfold and bring it to the opposite direction and crease it well. You just fold it. So like our flasher is now ready. We just do some like additional touches. You can see here, right? You can just push it inside like this. So it will create like a small triangle. Like this, you can fold it inside one triangle, another one here. Like it will be like this. Just crease it well, both the triangles. Yeah, so our easy origami trifold S and Z flashers are ready. So stay tuned for my channel for more and more cool stuff in origami. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.